Have you ever seriously considered the staggering mathematical improbability of our existence? Our observable universe is not merely governed by chance. It is fundamentally controlled by a minimum of 26 dimensionless, fundamental constants. Physical quantities whose values are fixed across all of spacetime. And the slightest deviation in any one of these cosmic dials would result in a universe that is sterile, formless, or instantly self-destructive. We begin with the most profound and perhaps most elegant enigma, the fine structure constant, alpha, which defines the strength of the electromagnetic interaction between elementary charged particles and photons, essentially setting the magnitude of the electrostatic repulsion and attraction within the atom. Its approximate value of 1/137 is exquisitely balanced. If alpha were even 4% larger, atomic nuclei would capture electrons too readily, preventing the formation of stable chemical bonds and favoring nuclear over chemical reactions entirely, thus prohibiting molecules, crystals, and DNA. Conversely, if alpha were slightly smaller, the resulting instability would prevent electron orbitals from forming necessary shell structures, collapsing atoms before they could bond. More critically, alpha is a primary determinant of the energy levels required for the Hoyle resonance within stellar nucleosynthesis, ensuring that 3 helium nuclei can sequentially align to fuse efficiently into carbon. Any variation would suppress the yield of carbon and oxygen, thus precluding all organic chemistry and the very foundation of life. Second, the cornerstone of all relativistic physics. The speed of light, c, is fixed, serving as the ultimate speed limit and the conversion scalar in E equals mc squared. This constancy is critical because if c were substantially higher, stars would be far less efficient at fusion, requiring massive increases in core temperature that would cause them to burn through their fuel supply in thousands, not billions, of years, offering insufficient time for biological evolution. Conversely, if c were lower, the universe would suffer from 2 catastrophic flaws. Energy transport would be sluggish, limiting the size of the observable universe, and the universe's critical mass density would be much higher, causing it to collapse into a black hole or singularity before structures like galaxies could fully aggregate. Third, we examine the elementary charge, E, the discrete quantum of electrical charge, which exhibits a near-perfect symmetry. The positive charge of the proton equals the negative charge of the electron with an astonishing measured accuracy exceeding 1 part in 10 to the power of 21. This infinitesimal level of precision is utterly indispensable, for if there were any discernible asymmetry, electrostatic repulsion between seemingly neutral macroscopic objects would utterly overwhelm gravitational attraction across the universe. The accumulated net charge of every star, planet, and nebula would cause them to violently repel one another, preventing the formation of all large, stable structures, effectively dismantling the cosmos itself. Finally, consider the specific heat capacity of water Cp, where the enormous energy required to raise 1 gram of water by 1 degree Celsius is attributed to the strength and density of hydrogen bonding between molecules. This property is vital for planetary thermodynamics, allowing oceans to act as colossal thermal reservoirs that distribute heat globally and stabilize climate, preventing runaway greenhouse effects or catastrophic thermal fluctuations. A lower Cp would cause rampant, cyclical evaporation, leading to hyperthermal swings and extinction-level weather, while a higher Cp would prevent effective phase change, locking most of the planet's water in ice, halting nutrient cycling and biological activity. This universe was not an accident, but the result of precise divine calibration. Every fundamental constant, from the electromagnetic interaction strength alpha to the speed of light c, from the elementary charge E to the specific heat capacity of water Cp, is not just a random number. It is a critical key that maintains the stability of the cosmos and life within it. Imagine if any of these values were slightly different. Atoms would become unstable, carbon and oxygen would not form in stars, oceans could not regulate heat, and nature would be inhospitable to life. Everything is interconnected in an astonishing harmony, as if the entire universe is a meticulously crafted cosmic machine or a perfectly written mathematical masterpiece. It is a mathematical beauty permeating every level of reality. Every particle, every atom, every ray of light, every galaxy works in complete harmony, allowing us, the observers, to understand and perceive this amazing universe. Witnessing such precision, we realize that the universe is not merely a collection of coincidences, but a masterful artwork reflecting the finest expressions of mathematics and physics. All this harmony reflects the existence of a creator, who masterfully designed this universe with wisdom and precision, ensuring that its laws work in perfect coordination to support life and observership. Contemplating this cosmos reminds us of the grandeur of its design, inviting reflection on the creativity and precision behind every particle and every galaxy. In the end, let us celebrate this astonishing precision. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more cosmic revelations, and tell us in the comments which fundamental constant leaves you most profoundly in awe.